Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 3, Role and Responsibilities, and today is its second lesson. So my dear students, before moving on towards the main lesson, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lesson. For that, you need to answer a few questions. So the first question you can see on your screen, what is government? Quickly tell me. You have to answer that what is government? It is a system or a group of people who run the country. Very nice. Now, what facilities do you enjoy provided by the government? अपने घर में आप ज़रा फोकस करें, सोचें आप कौन कौन सी फैसिलिटीज़ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं जो कि आपको गवर्नमेंट ने प्रोवाइड की है. Clean water, हर वक्त आता है घर में? Very good. Then electricity, fans and lights are on? Yes, these are provided by the government. And other things which you see outside your home are roads, security, safety, transportation. These are some basic facilities which are provided by the government. Okay, my dear students, now is time for, look at this, what do you see? This is a road and this is transportation, public transport, buses चलती हैं आपके roads के ऊपर. Then hospital, schools, electricity, clean water. These are all the basic facilities that we enjoy and these are provided by our government. Now, my dear students, is time for the objective of today, which is given on page number 24. And this is for the parents and the teachers to understand that by the end of today's lesson, all the students will be able to identify some goods and services that government provides for the people, like health, education, clean water, infrastructure, utilities, safety, security of parks and playgrounds. My dear students, for this, we will do a project today. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. To Allah belongs the domain of the heavens and the earth and all that is between them, and to him will all return. My dear students, Allah Ta'ala जो है वही जो है वो हमारी कायनात के हम सब के जो है खालिक और मालिक हैं और तमाम बादशाहत जो है वो अल्लाह ताला के लिए ही है और हमने जो है सबने लौट कर अल्लाह ताला के पास ही जाना है. So my dear students, with this we will move forward towards some pre-reading questions. Who looks after the matter of your home? आपके घर के जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं या घर में क्या खाना है, क्या पकाना है, किधर जाना है, ये सब कौन डिसाइड करता है? Your mother and your father, your parents. And who manages the school? आपके स्कूल में कौन मैनेज करता है सब चीज़ों को? Your, no, not your teacher. वो आपकी क्लासरूम को मैनेज करती है. Your principal, he manages the school. Very nice. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards a supervised activity. Okay. Now what we are going to do in this activity, आप लोगों को बहुत मजा आएगा. Arrange a dialogue in the class. Discuss the roles and responsibilities of government. Make 2 groups of students. One group will be acting as government officer and the other as citizen. So my dear students, now I am talking to the teachers or the parents if they are watching me. आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, घर में बच्चों को डिवाइड कर दें या स्कूल में है तो make 2 groups, group A and group B. One will be acting as government officials and the other group will be acting as citizens. और उसके बाद आप उनके दरमियान में एक डायलॉग करवाएं. But before that, मैंने भी एक डायलॉग आपके लिए स्क्रीन पे तैयार किया है. It's an animated dialogue. You can love watching it और उसके बाद आप इसी तरीके से practically इसको perform कीजिएगा. So let's have a look. Now, who is this? Assalamu alaikum. I am a policeman. I provide security to the people of my country. Now let's see next. Assalamu alaikum. I cannot find my mobile. I need your help. Now here is a citizen and he needs help from the policeman and he is asking for his help. Now what is the policeman saying? Come with me, I will help you. Now the policeman is a government official and he provides security and help to the citizens of his country. So my dear students, next you can see on your screen, Assalamu alaikum. I am a doctor. I treat sick people. Doctor, I have fever. Take this medicine, you will feel better. Assalamu alaikum. I am traffic policeman. I control the traffic on roads. So my dear students, you have just seen different government officials which work for the government. और वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि वो facilities provide करते हैं citizens of the country. So the doctor provides treatment to the sick people. The policeman provides security and help to the citizens of his country. And traffic policeman, what does he do? He controls the traffic on the roads and he also maintains discipline and helps the people to follow the traffic rules. Now is the time for practice. You can pause the video and you can perform the dialogue in the class now. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For that, you need a worksheet. This will be provided to you by your teacher, worksheet number 2. You will write down your name and your class at the top, and then you can see goods and services is written in 2 columns. Look at the pictures carefully, sort out the goods and services provided by the government and write them in correct column. So my dear students, अब आपके पास जो worksheet आएगी, उसके अंदर आपको ऊपर दिए हुए हैं goods and the services. आपको नीचे पिक्चर्स दी हुई है कुछ. इन पिक्चर्स में से आपको गुड्स सेपरेट करने हैं जो आपको गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है और आपको सर्विसेज सेपरेट करनी है जो आपको गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करती है. हाउ? आई विल टेल यू. नाउ यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट थिंग, क्लीन वाटर. इट इज अ गुड, वेरी गुड, क्योंकि ये एक चीज है, पानी है. Clean water. Next is what services are provided by the government. That is education. And you also get medical facilities. So a hospital will also come under services. Then comes medicine. Medicines are the goods. Food are also will come under goods. And security is a service that is provided by the government. So it will come under services. So this is how you will complete your worksheet. Carefully look at the pictures and then separate out the goods from the services. Now we will move forward. Towards your evaluation, you have to answer a few questions. So my dear students, it is on your screen. Quickly tell me, what is government? Yes, very good. Think quickly. A group of people who runs the country is called government of the country. Next is name some services provided by the government. Number 1, education, healthcare facilities, security. These are some services that are provided by the government. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for homework. Quickly note it down. Discuss with your parents about different services provided by the government. आपने अपने पेरेंट्स के पास जाना है और उनसे जाके आपने बात करनी है, उनको बताना है कि हमें गवर्नमेंट कौन कौन सी जो सर्विसेज है, फैसिलिटीज़ है, प्रोवाइड करती है. आप उनसे डिस्कस करें. हो सकता है कि वो भी आपको कुछ नई बातें बताएं, कुछ नई सर्विसेज और फैसिलिटीज़ के बारे में बताएं which we enjoy daily and which eases our life. So my dear students, with this, let's quickly wrap up the lesson. Name some services provided by the government: education, healthcare facilities, transportation, security. These are all the services provided by the government. Name some goods provided by the government like books. जब आप पढ़ते हैं, education हासिल करते हैं, तो for that you need books, and book will come as a good. Books, clean water, electricity, transportation, medicines, these are all the goods which are provided by the government so that we can ease our life. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching the video. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.